welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. In today's video, I will be showing you, or I will be demonstrating how I change my 613 blonde bundles or wig into this beautiful, amazing ash blonde. If you are interested, stay tuned. Hope you viewers saw me when I turned over. So today's video, I have 26 inches blonde hair extensions and a 7x7 closure. Guys, the 26-inch bundles are 4 bundles and the closure is a natural color 1B closure. I had to bleach the closure twice and I had to put a purple shampoo on it to achieve this beautiful tone of ash blonde to blend in with my bundles. So guys, I am really loving it. And I had to have dark roots because as you can tell, I am a girl of color, and ash blonde coming from my roots, I don't think that would look great on me. So I decided to have brown roots, and I used Adore brown and mocha mixed together to achieve my dark roots. My dark roots are at least 2 to 3 inches of dark roots. And guys, I hope you viewers are really feeling this wig. You guys are feeling this vibe. I am really loving it. It's taken me so long to finally try this ash blonde in 2022. Guys, can you believe it? So the hair I used, or the hair I'm using, is from the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique. It's your 613 blonde bundles and it's in the texture straight. Body wave turns into straight anyways. It's in the texture straight. And guys, the curls do last, especially if you don't sleep. If you don't sleep with your wig, the curls will last. If you put your wig on a mannequin, the curls will last. Guys, I curled this wig like a week ago. I just did not comb through it, and as I was doing the final review or final tutorial, I had to just pull a few curl ones into it, but the curls do last. Guys, I'm really feeling and loving myself. I'm so glad I tried this. I thought I should just come on camera and show you viewers how it is done. Basically, I am really loving myself. If you are interested in this video, stay tuned. I will leave all the hair info in the description box down below. I also have a discount code for you viewers, which is my name, Ativel20, for 20% off your entire purchase. Let's get straight to the video tutorial. Stay tuned.